You need to watch this if you struggle with feeling trapped in the daily grind. Before we dive in, check out the link in the description for exclusive offers designed to help you break free from the matrix, tools, resources, and special deals you won't find anywhere else. You wake up to an alarm you hate, rush to a job you don't like, and watch your paycheck vanish by the 5th of the month. Congratulations. You're inside the matrix, and you don't even know it. This isn't a movie, this is your life. The world you've been sold is a hamster wheel: run, earn, spend, repeat. You follow the rules, but the rewards never come, just more bills, more stress, less time. But what if the prison isn't made of bars but of ideas programmed into you since birth? Today I'm giving you the red pill, the blueprint to escape. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about getting free forever. The choice is simple: click away and go back to sleep, or stay, listen, and start your escape. The door is right in front of you. Let's walk through it together. So what is the Matrix? It's not sci-fi, it's the invisible script society hands you at birth. The Matrix is a system designed to create obedient workers and lifelong consumers. School teaches you to follow instructions, not to think or build wealth. You're never taught how money works, no talk of assets, liabilities, or investing. After school you're told to get a safe job, trading your time for a paycheck. But is it really secure to have your entire income depend on one boss? The system encourages debt. Car loans, mortgages, credit cards, trapping you in a cycle. You work to pay bills, just to keep working. The Matrix distracts you with new phones, binge watching, and vacations, comfort in a cage. It wants you to believe this is the only way, that dreaming of freedom is childish. But the safe path is the riskiest of all, trading your life for quiet servitude. The first step to escape? See the cage for what it is. Recognize the system wasn't built for your benefit, it was built to extract your time, energy, and money. Once you see it, you can't unsee it. That's when you can start to break free. Today, that ignorance ends. Waking up is painful, but it's the first step. Your financial struggles aren't bad luck, they're the result of a system designed to keep you financially illiterate. School never taught you how to budget, invest, or build a business. That's not an accident. Relying on one job is a gamble. One bad quarter, and you're out. Debt is the Matrix's master tool, an invisible chain that limits your choices. You can't quit, take risks, or travel because you're shackled by bills. The Matrix also programs you psychologically, bombarding you with marketing, tying your identity to what you own. Waking up means auditing your life. Where is your money and time going? Are you building assets or just accumulating distractions? The moment you start questioning the system, the illusion shatters. You see the trap not as your failure, but as a rigged game. Only when you see the rules can you start to play differently. That's the beginning of your escape. The next battle is in your mind. The Matrix is a mental prison. You must uninstall the old programming, the employee, the consumer, the victim, and install the mindset of a builder, creator, and owner. Most people have a consumer mindset. They spend money and time on distractions. The free have a producer mindset. They invest money and time to build skills and assets. Every hour spent scrolling is an hour lost building your future. Every dollar spent on impulse is a dollar not invested. This shift requires discipline. The Matrix is designed to be comfortable and addictive. You must choose long-term freedom over short-term pleasure. Failure isn't the enemy, it's feedback. The Matrix teaches you to fear failure, but real growth comes from learning and trying again. Adopt an abundance mindset. The Matrix teaches scarcity, but value can be created from nothing. See opportunities, not limitations. Your mind is the battlefield. Win the war in your head, and you're halfway out. Mindset is the foundation of freedom. Change your mind, change your life. Financial intelligence is the key to your escape. The most important lesson? Know the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money in your pocket. Liabilities take money out. Most people buy liabilities thinking they're assets. A house, a car, gadgets. The rich buy assets, investments, businesses, income-generating properties. Before you buy anything, ask, is this an asset or a liability? Shift your focus to acquiring assets. Read Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Read The Psychology of Money. Read The Simple Path to Wealth. Turn off Netflix. Dedicate an hour a day to learning about money. Every financial decision is a vote for your future, freedom or more time in the cage. Be conscious. Make your votes count. Freedom is built one smart decision at a time. Start building your financial IQ now. Knowledge is power, but skills pay the bills. To escape, you need high-income skills. Abilities that can earn you $10,000 plus a month and can't be easily replaced. Examples: copywriting, sales, digital marketing, content creation, coding. Pick one skill that excites you. Don't chase every shiny object. Become obsessed. Dedicate 6-12 months to mastering it. Learn from free resources, practice daily, and build a portfolio. Offer your skill for free at first to get testimonials. Then monetize, freelance, consult, or start your own business. Your goal: replace your job's income with your skills' income. Once you do, you have leverage and options. You're no longer dependent on a single employer. High-income skills are your ticket out of the matrix. Don't wait for permission. Start learning today. The world pays for value. Become valuable. Build your skill, build your freedom. The journey starts now. Earning more is great, but true freedom comes from systems and multiple income streams. A system is a process that works without you. Think agencies, YouTube channels, affiliate marketing, or investments. Build machines that generate income 24/7, not just when you're working. Turn your skill into a business, hire others, and scale. Create content that earns while you sleep. Invest in stocks or real estate. Let your money work for you. Diversify. Never rely on one income stream again. Aim for 2, then 3, then 5 streams. If one dries up, you're still secure. This is real financial security. Systems and streams make you anti-fragile. Don't just work for money. Build machines that work for you. That's how you escape the rat race for good. Start building your systems today. Your environment can make or break your escape. The Matrix uses social pressure, friends, family, colleagues to pull you back in. Curate your inner circle. Surround yourself with ambitious, positive people. Distance yourself from dream killers and negativity. Seek mentors, join communities, and level up your network. Master your digital environment. Turn off distractions. Delete time-wasting apps. Curate your feeds for learning. Design your physical space for focus and growth. Make your environment support the person you want to become. Protect your time and energy. They're your most valuable assets. Build a fortress for your focus. The world will try to distract you. Say no more often. Your environment will either build you up or break you down. Choose wisely. You weren't born to pay bills and die. You were born to build, create, and be free. The system was designed by others, for their benefit, not yours. But you can design your own life. The steps are simple, but not easy. Every action from now on is a choice, toward freedom or deeper into the matrix. Freedom is a daily practice, not a one-time event. The choice is yours. Go back to comfort, or start escaping. Take the first step, no matter how small. Take the red pill. Subscribe. Build your freedom.